Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable Google Bard for Google Workspaces. So if you guys would like to go ahead and enable Google Bard for, of course, Google Workspaces, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to enable the Google Bard with Google Workspaces is to go ahead and launch the Google Bard website and then proceed with tapping on extensions right here on the top right corner. Now I want you to scroll down until you see this option called Google Workspace and have this enabled. Now from here you can actually go ahead and now summarize, find, and get quick answers from your own content to fuel your personal journey. You can now go ahead and utilize Gmail, Google Drive as well, and Google Docs with Google Bard, and that's how you guys could actually use Google Bard with, of course, your Google Workspace. So if you are not familiar with actually utilizing Google Bard with your Google Workspace, you could also go ahead and ask Google Bard what specific things that you could do with those applications that you have linked with your Google Workspace. So just go ahead and type in what can you do and proceed with actually giving you answers of what you guys could specifically do with Google Drive. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.